Hello everyone. Today we introduce the Satellite Internet Experimental Platform. The Satellite Internet Experimental Solution was co-developed by the Fudan University team and IECUB. It is designed for experimental courses in satellite networks and satellite communications for computer science and communication majors. Next, we'll use a video transmission demo to show how the platform achieves simulated satellite-to-ground communication. The Satellite Simulation Platform can realize an end-to-end ground station satellite-ground station link. This experiment demo only shows satellite-to-ground station data transmission. First, we see a VirtualBox virtual machine here, sending live streaming data via UDP and connecting to the digital twin system's Delhi ground station. The data is uplinked via the space-to-ground link, forwarded via the inter-satellite link, and finally reaches the satellite above Tokyo. Then, the data is forwarded by the digital twin system, encoded and modulated with the DVB protocol, transmitted via USRP, and the signal is upconverted by the mmWave component, shifted to the high-frequency band, and transmitted by the phased array antenna. It is received and downconverted by the receiving antenna of the ground station on the right, and finally parsed by the USRP. Here, we can see the data parsed by the VirtualBox connected to the Tokyo ground station, and the parsed video is displayed above. The Satellite Internet Experimental Platform includes the Satellite Internet Digital Twin System, SDT, USRP and mmWave experimental components, and can simulate different layers of satellite internet, including the network layer and physical layer. First, let's introduce the Satellite Internet Digital Twin System, SDT. It includes online educational resources, covering course objectives, content, and specific experimental operations, including the experiment's background, principles, and steps. The platform also provides a visualized network layer simulation page and programmable online documentation, offering intuitive, easy-to-demonstrate advantages suitable for fundamental satellite internet teaching and beginner learning. The accompanying teaching resources include constellation simulation, satellite selection algorithms, inter-satellite link, and satellite end-to-end simulation experiments, etc. Advanced project-based experimental resources have also been developed, covering the network layer and physical layer of satellite internet. First, let's demonstrate how constellation simulation is achieved. The SDT teaching version provides editable dynamic documentation. Users can directly modify parameters, edit code, and verify results. Let's run the corresponding code here. Adding a new constellation. We can see the constellation we just designed. In addition to the teaching version, the SDT system also offers a research version. Based on containerized management and modular design, it provides researchers with a high-precision satellite simulation platform, capable of complex simulation of LEO satellite networks, supporting deep algorithm research and validation. The physical layer experiments include USRP equipment paired with mmWave antenna components. Using experimental programs developed on the Python platform, it simulates the signal transmission process between the satellite and the ground station.
Remember to subscribe, like, and ring the bell.